Now this active, bro. Oh, look at the solar panels.
Yeah, I know. They're theming. Look at the theming
as well. A bit of shading, you know.
Oh, damn. Here we go. Gonna spin.
Solar panels. I thought I was going to smash my head like 6 times. Where are we going?
I lost all sense.
No, I thought I was going to hit my head when we're going backwards, you know.